discuss the various anti-cancer agents like cisplatin, carboplatin, eraplatin. Now, along with this anti-cancer agent, there is a need for more advanced platinum drug which is proposed for anti-cancer agent for the treatment of cancer. So here there are various anti-cancer agents like cisplatin, as we discussed earlier. That is cisplatin, this is cisplatin, carboplatin, oxaliplatin, then nidoplatin and lovaplatin. These are all platinum anti-cancer drug approved for the cancer treatment. Now different development in new platinum drugs. So these are all the anti-cancer drug approved for the treatment. Here now let's discuss what are the main features of these anti-cancer agents. Let's discuss. When platinum based drug enter cells by passive or diffusion or active transport are activated by activation, their anti-neoplastics, effect are linked to multiple such as oxidative trace, and mitochondrial DNA damage. Now, how they attack with DNA for their effective, for show their effect. Now, how this all newly developed platinum drugs affect the antineoplastic cells? Firstly, their primary mechanism is attacking genomic DNA, covalently binding to N7 positions of guanine and nuclear DNA adducts to form nuclear DNA adducts. So this is the interaction of this newly developed anti-cancer platinum drugs with this DNA. Now let's discuss what are the di and trinuclear platinum complexes. As we know that the platinum complexes are very effective anti-cancer agents. So recently there will be much more invention or the development in these anti-cancer platinum drugs complexes. Instead of that, also there are some platinum complexes which are di or tri-multinuclear complexes which show a variable properties regarding with the anti-cancer agents. Let's discuss. So let's discuss di and trinuclear platinum metal complexes. As you see in figure that this is a dinuclear platinum metal complexes, whereas in the next figure, that is in platinum is same is a trinuclear metal complexes. So if you see these platinum metal centers here, that is a dinuclear and this is a trinuclear. So here this is a dinuclear, means that is a 2 platinum metal, and this is a trinuclear, that is in 3 platinum nuclear centers present. These are all the newly developed anti-cancer platinum drug metal. So here let's discuss, as we see in figure, that these are di and trinuclear metal complexes. They show a very effective property against anti-tumor, or it act as a better anti-tumor agent than the previously discussed metal complexes. Now let's discuss the features of these dinuclear and trinuclear platinum metal complexes. These complexes have attracted considerable interest as multinuclear nature. Multinuclear nature in that it is including di and trinuclear metal complexes, allows for a greater number of possible DNA adducts. Greater number of possible DNA binding adducts. Generally what happens, due to this dinuclear and trinuclear platinum metal complexes increases the capacity, or increases the chances to bind the DNA more effectively. As cisplatin is a mononuclear or having a single nuclear center, cisplatin making it more difficult for cell to repair DNA damage and subsequently develop. As this di and trinuclear metal complexes are more effective than the metal complexes, that is the mononuclear metal complexes. Now the second point is that this di were initially based upon cisplatin motifs. This is the actual structure of single cisplatin, and it will be joined by the aromatic amines. Cisplatin motifs with aliphatic amine substituent. So these are all the aliphatic amine substituents. So this portion is an aliphatic amine substituent portion. Now let this trigger the development of multinuclear complexes with a large variety of two ligands. In multinuclear metal complexes also, you can see that in many cases the resulting cytotoxicity was equal to or greater than that of cisplatin complexes. Uptake is significantly higher interstand cross-linking is confirmed in cisplatin complexes. The utility of multinuclear metal complexes. In order to modulate the chemical properties of complex. So these are all about the multinuclear complexes. In that we discussed the dinuclear and trinuclear platinum metal complexes. We will stop here. Thank you.